Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the pirate chest in Fish 8 Roblox. So if you already start the Dead Man's Treasure quest, you need to know that you need to find 4 letters hidden in the Pirate Cove chest. And if you're wondering what the chest will look like or the locations or where to found the chest, this is a quick guide for you. So first you can just look around on the inside the Pirate Cove, and one of the location of the chest is near the mysterious cave entrance. So you'll see behind the carpenter there is this pirate chest that you can open. So you can just go near the chest and open it, and in here if you're lucky you can get the letter, or you can also get another reward like potions. So to finish the quest you can just look around and open each chest that you found. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.